Hi everybody, welcome to this class. Today in this class we will study about select option of editing tab in MS Office Word. For this, first of all we will take some data like this, and here first command is select all. As soon as we will click on it, it will select all data of the document. There is shortcut command is also for this, Control A, select all data. With the help of Control A also we can select all data, and with the help of this command also we can select all data. It is one thing. Second thing is select object. How we use this command? For this, first of all we will take a picture or an object and we'll say behind text, set it as behind text. So we can look here, after doing behind text, this image will hidden behind text. Now if you want to select to this document, it is not possible. So we will go to select and click on this select object. Now we will be able to select this image from which is hidden behind the text. So like this we can use this command, select an object, to select an object which is hidden behind text and not able to select. So it is second command. Next is select text with similar formatting. For this we will take a new document and will take some data in it. Suppose it is heading 1, or we can say it is chapter 1, and I will say it is in bold. Now I will copy and paste this data number of times. Suppose it is chapter 2, it is chapter 3, it is chapter 4, chapter 5. Now from this data, if you want to change some style or formatting on chapters, we will put cursor on this chapter 1 and we will go to select and select text with similar formatting. Now we can look here, all data with similar formatting is selected. If you want to apply some style on it, we can apply by single command. Like I want to change color, I will simply select the color, so all heading color will be changed. Now if we say again select text with similar formatting and I want to make italic and underline, all text will be italic and underline at single click. So like this we can apply changes to number of line of text or multiple text at single click with the help of select text with similar formatting. If I want to convert this text into heading 1, we will simply click on this and all these chapters will convert to heading 1. It is one thing. Second thing, if I want to apply some formatting on this data, so no need to select all these para one by one. Simply I will go to select and will say select text with similar formatting. All plain data of that document is selected. Now if I want to make justify, simply click on it, all data will be justified. If I want to change its line spacing, simply click on line spacing. Line spacing will be added in entire document. If I want to change its color, we can simply change color from here. So any type of change we can apply on a very large amount of data with the help of select text with similar formatting options, because at single click we will select entire data of similar formatting and we can apply similar formatting to the text. So these are the commands that we discuss in this video. What is the select all, how we can use select object, and what is the select text with similar formatting. So I think this video will be more helpful for you, and if you want to something, you can ask me through comment. And if this video is helpful for you, you can like this video, can share this video, and can subscribe my channel for more videos of related topics or topics like this. Thanks for watching.